section through, so he comes in from here. A little sloping roof, in case it rains. This is just the side. This is how it looks. So he comes in here, up a little ramp and goes inside. And he has a little sunshade, which is this, and this.
Lovely, lovely.
Cut through there. Two ends here. Same length as that. Cooking on one side. Now I have to do other side, and it's important you can't use too much paint. You just have to dabble it on. Like this. Takes ages. Okay, so all you have to do is lift this up and you like this. It's quite a clever design they did. Okay, twist it all the way in like that, and it's done. Okay, that's it. Okay. In on each corner. This is now the top. Okay, one opening there so you can put him in. This one, I simply slide okay, this is the section through, so he comes in here from here. A little sloping roof, in case it rains. And this is just the side. This is how it looks. So he comes in here, up a little ramp and goes inside. Okay, so this is the base, bottom. Okay, this is the back, and it sits. If you look at the back will sit like that. So the bottom is not on. This is the ground, so the bottom is not on the floor.
Oh, lovely.
Okay, and this is just the. Okay, ready? These are just spaces to keep this off the floor. I've done the two sides. I'm now just fixing the base. It's glued and screwed. So this. Screws into there. I'll do this one now. And this one. And now quickly turn it around. I can and do the other side. Making sure the base is all the same level on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, all the joints. Now I place this carefully on the top. It's a sloping roof. make sure it's aligned properly either side, and also there's a little overlap. Looks about right.
It's high, okay?
Check for this side. That's fine. Okay, so ready. I need to make sure it's all properly. Okay. Let's finish the screwing. This is now finished. Little sloping roofs. Any little rain will just fall off the back. Here's a little ramp here, so you can come along. You can get inside. Okay. Underneath, there's a little gap here, so that it doesn't all get wet. But this will all be painted anyway.
Okay, I would like door.
Yeah, I can make a little door, but I'll do that later.
Okay.
Get that done first. I'm doing the bottom only because it helps protect the bottom from damp grass.
Nice color.
Yes, Cuprinol is a lovely colour. I'm now going to make a little saloon bar door. It's in this. This is the opening here in the front. This is the bottom. That's the top. So yes, it'll be shaped something like that. Cut in the middle. Just a small hinge here. Small hinge here. It's enough. Okay. And this is how I'm doing it.
Second coat.
I've done the second coat all on this on the back. Now I need to turn it over. I think that's sort of dry. And now like that. I've done the back and do the sides, bottom and the top. Actually, this way around. I'm now going to cut this, turn it over, cut that one.
Good.
Okay? They'll fit like that. Yep. Nice. And now I'll do. Okay. Fix little hinges so that this goes on the side of the thing, and then it can open. Like a little barn door. And there's another one.
Nice.
They're like 2 hinges. Hang on a minute.
Okay.
Like 2 doors with little hinges, and then they'll open like this. Okay, I'm just going to paint this door now black. Okay, make sure everything is actually covered properly. Use a small brush because I don't need a big brush for this job. It's a quick dry paint, so it won't be all that long. It's just first coat. I've already well, these things are a bit fiddly, but if you think about how you're going to do it, it's just take your time and it'll be fine. Now I'm going to screw this in a bit. screw in. This one. And then the drill, making sure it's very even. Do one. And do the other one. Two doors. Two saloon bar doors.
Yes, nice.
Come out like that. Onto a little ramp.
Good. Super house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Done. This is the cage we made.
Ta-da!
Okay, and that's the little house we made.
Oh.
It's going away.
Okay, no problem. Free!
The prisoner escapes.
Free! I'm free!